Welcome back, finance fans. Buyer's remorse is a feeling of regret experienced after making a purchase, typically one that is regarded as unnecessary or extravagant. Here are 7 common purchases that people regret the most, which hurts them financially and their ability to achieve their financial goals. Purchasing timeshare vacation properties frequently results in regret. Buyers often face high upfront costs, ongoing maintenance fees, and limited flexibility in booking dates, making it difficult to enjoy the investment. Many timeshare purchases occur during vacations, when individuals are in a relaxed state and easily influenced by high-pressure sales tactics. Salespeople often create a sense of urgency with today-only offers, leading buyers to make impulsive decisions without fully understanding the commitment involved. If owners decide they no longer want their timeshare, selling it can be extremely difficult. The resale market is often saturated with owners trying to unload their timeshares. Prospective buyers are advised to conduct thorough research, consider their long-term vacation preferences, and wait at least 48 hours before making any large purchase. Many individuals regret buying luxury vehicles due to high maintenance costs and depreciation. Used BMWs and Mercedes are notorious for their expensive repairs, leading to significant financial losses. Luxury cars tend to depreciate faster than their non-luxury counterparts. This rapid depreciation can be shocking for owners looking to resell their vehicles later on. The allure of owning a luxury car can quickly fade when faced with the reality of ongoing expenses. Please watch my video on how cars keep people poor. While marketed as investments, designer clothing often fails to hold its value. Many consumers regret spending large sums on high-end fashion that quickly goes out of style or is rarely worn. These purchases may not stand the test of time, leading to feelings of guilt when the buyer realizes they spent good money on something that no longer fits or is no longer fashionable. Some buyers find themselves in debt after acquiring expensive items, only to later regret the financial strain it causes. Please watch my video on how buy now, pay later is evil. People frequently regret getting into gym memberships for many reasons, primarily related to lack of use, financial burden, and unmet expectations. Studies indicate that around 67% of gym memberships in the US are never utilized. This can lead to feelings of regret as individuals realize they are paying for a service they're not using. Additional expenses such as personal training sessions and daily protein shakes can add up quickly, leading to unexpected financial strain. To mitigate these feelings of buyer's remorse, potential gym goers should assess their fitness goals and consider cheaper options, such as setting up a home gym, which is a one-time expense, or using follow-along YouTube fitness videos. People often regret having expensive weddings due to the financial strain, emotional stress, and disconnection from the true purpose of the occasion. Weddings can cost as much as a down payment on a house. Many couples find themselves in debt due to overspending on venues, catering, and other lavish elements. This can create stress in the early stages of marriage, as they may struggle to pay off loans while also trying to save for future goals, like buying a home or starting a family. Couples may feel pressured to create a spectacular event that meets societal expectations or family traditions. This pressure can lead to stress during planning and dissatisfaction if the event does not go as envisioned. Couples are encouraged to prioritize their values and consider more budget-friendly options that focus on meaningful experiences rather than extravagant displays. Set a budget, cut that number by 25%, and try to stick to it. People often regret having too many subscriptions due to financial strain, overwhelm, confusion, and lack of use. While individual subscription fees may seem manageable, often ranging from $5 to $20 per month, the total can become significant when multiple subscriptions are combined. Many subscription services may also include additional costs, such as premium features or add-ons that users feel pressured to purchase, further increasing expenses. A survey found that 42% of customers forget about subscriptions they no longer use, often stemming from free trials that automatically convert into paid memberships. To reduce these feelings of remorse, individuals are encouraged to regularly review their subscriptions, cancel those that are no longer valuable, and prioritize services that genuinely enhance their lives. People often experience regret after purchasing the latest technology due to overhyped expectations. The latest gadgets and software often come with a steep price tag. Many consumers fall victim to overhyped marketing claims that promise revolutionary benefits. When the actual performance of the product does not align with these expectations, it can lead to disappointment and regret. Technology changes very quickly, which could lead to impulsive purchases. This rush can result in acquiring products that do not meet your needs, leading to regret once the novelty wears off. To avoid these feelings of remorse, consumers are encouraged to conduct thorough research, evaluate your needs, and again, wait 48 hours before purchasing. When working towards achieving your biggest financial goals, it is important to avoid common traps. Try to avoid these 7 money pits to save yourself a lot of money and remorse. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe. Until next time, keep earning, keep saving, and keep investing.